Hi guys! First off, I want to say thank you so much, and I really appreciate everyone who has reached out to me and checked up on me. I am okay. I am still here. I went on vacation, and then when I got home, I decided I wanted to revamp some things. I really didn't have enough room to do everything I wanted to do, so I went ahead and I did get a storage unit. We are also planning on moving within the same neighborhood, but our end game house won't be available until next summer. So it's just one less thing that we will have to move at that time. And then whenever we move, I will be able to then decide how I want to move forward when taking care of my inventory, whether I want to keep a storage unit or get a shed, which a shed is what I'm aiming for. But we will see. Other than that, I have, moved some stuff out. I bought a photography tent a while ago, but it's too big for my area. So I went ahead and I bought the next one down. And so I'm waiting for that to get here. And once that gets here, then I can get back to photographing everything. I have a lot of inventory that I just need to get rid of. So I started taking some, separating them in sizes, putting them on Facebook. I've sold a few that way. I'm hoping to sell the rest soon. And then I plan on utilizing eBay's 250 free auctions just to get some stuff out. And then of course, I will be having a few whatnots coming up. And at this point, they're probably going to be pretty low on costs. Like everything starting at $1 or $2 because I need it gone. Summer slowdown was no joke. And I was gone for a whole month too. So that, didn't really help things. But I think I'm going to try to aim for that. I'm going to aim for working all through fall, winter, and spring, and then taking the summer off. Kind of like for school. Even the summer items that I did have, the values are just much lower than fall, winter, springy type stuff. So to me, buying these sweaters and jackets and long sleeve blouses and the fall colors and stuff, to me that has more value than tank tops and shorts and yada yada yada. Not saying that I will never pick those things up, but I have said many a times that I prefer fall, winter items, and so I think that's exactly what and how I'm going to handle it, is get a game plan down to going I take the summer months off when it comes to reselling, not thrifting, going thrifting and stuff and preparing for the fall. I really enjoyed going home. Well, it's not home anymore. This is home. But I really enjoyed going back to Oklahoma. I did go to the bins for the first time. That was pretty exciting. And I can't wait to go again. And that's kind of also how I want to start getting my inventory. The value in the long run is just so much better. The problem is that I have 3 of them kind of around me, but they're all like 4 to 5 hours away. So I have to make it an actual trip. So that is the downside. But another reason why I want to get a lot of my inventory gone, and then I will have space and room to be able to do the work that I want to do and get through the rest of my inventory. I know I haven't done any what sold. I had like barely any sales in August, which at the end of this video I will show you everything that sold. But this month already, I have already seen an increase in my average sales price because of the items that are selling, and they're not summer things, which is another reason why I just want to concentrate on that. Again, thank you so much for everyone checking in on me. It makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside to know that you guys are realizing I'm not there. I still have a lot on my plate that I want to get handled before I jump back into YouTube. I will be doing my what solds, but other than that, I don't know what I'm going to do. Right now, I need to concentrate on getting everything set up so I can clear out some inventory and then start photographing, because I have all these amazing things that some of the things I forgot I had that I need to get listed. So here is the what solds for August. Luckily they were pretty decent, but they, there were only a few. And yeah, here they are.
Old Navy, $28. Nike Golf Reversible Skirt, $35. J. Jill V-neck, $36. Tommy Bahama, $25. Talbots, $25. Latuza, $20. Longer Burger, $25. Motherhood Nursing Bra, $25. Tofi Vintage Pants, $46. Ralph Lauren Tan Golf Shorts, $15. Silk Cami, $20. The Foundry 3XL Long Sleeve, $19.99. Under Armour Storm Pants, $45. H&M Linen Pants, $18. Rena Rowan New Tag Silk Dress, $27. Sophie B. Bustier Corset, $14.
So out of everything that I sold in August, my cost of goods was $59.05. My sales price was $520.72. Shipping was $62.28. So my total profit going in my pocket was $311.09. I mean, I think I was only active for maybe 5 days of all of August, so I'll take it. I am pretty excited for the things to come, and I really appreciate you guys sticking with me on this journey. Even though I have been MIA, I will be back. It just might take a little bit longer for me to jump back into things. I know most of you guys understand and know how crazy life can get. So I figured I'd do a quick little rundown of what sold for me in August and kind of give you guys a heads up of what's going on with me, show my appreciation for all of you guys, and I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.